Good morning. My name is Sohaib Kazim. I read in class 3. My school name is Junior Islamic School and College. Today I will tell you about my daily routine. I get up early in the morning. I offer Fajr prayer, take shower. I wear school uniform. I take my breakfast. I go to school. I attend classes. I come back to a wash. I change school uniform. I take rest. I offer Zuhr prayer. I take my lunch. I attend tuition classes. I offer Asr prayer. I go to park. I play football. I come back to a wash. I offer Maghrib prayer. I watch TV. I watch cartoon Shiva. I take my dinner. I offer Isha prayer. I go to library. I read books. I brush my teeth. I go to sleep. Thank you.